Evicted.
So who's this guy?
CMO Ferrari. Oh my gosh, I'd written down his name and now I forgot.
Bobby Boobadelli.
Yeah, he's bippity boppity boopity boo.
Enrico Galliera.
But yeah, he's been there with Ferrari for 16 years. He was this chief marketing officer, and given that the marketing of the Luce has gone so incredibly poorly, he's gone.
Is it directly because of the Luce? Do we know that?
They say that it's not.
But 16 years and then out within what?
It's been about a month since the Luce has been released, and then the whole line of people that were supposed to tell him this is bad, or he was supposed to tell someone else this is bad. Clearly, they were like, none of you are going to fill this job. We're going to
Were they
go.
all yes men or just?
It may be, but that's my impression. If they're going not just to not this guy, but not even anyone that works for this guy's never worked for Ferrari before, and he's taking a chief level job. Anyway, he used to be the head of BMW Italy. So they claim it was a planned exit and that he's been planning this exit since before the Luce. But the fact that they specifically had to say that.
Yeah.
They said they wish him his best on his future endeavors and they're so appreciative of the work he's done for Ferrari. And
Bippity boppity, get off our property.
yeah. Anyway, next news story.
Wait. Has he considered playing a Spider-Man ad every time you start up your Ferrari? Have we considered that?